Don't know how to deal with dirty oil for industrial use? Be sure to watch this video. Hongyi centrifugal oil filter adopts bypass installation, can run automatically, no filter element, can reduce the cost of oil change, improve the quality of the product, reduce the wear and tear of the equipment. Applicable to wire drawing industry, wire drawing oil, drawing fluid, stretching oil, aluminum powder filtration and purification. Fastener industry, cold heading oil, molding oil, thread rolling oil filtration and purification. Steel pipe industry, mill oil, drawing oil, anti-rust oil filtration and purification. Grinding industry, grinding fluid, cutting oil, grinding oil filtration and purification. Heat treatment industry, quenching oil, tempering oil, quenching liquid filtration and purification. There are many industrial oil filtration and purification here will not be an example, such as your factory with dirty industrial oil, is difficult to deal with, can be at any time to contact us for the best solution.